Hello students, welcome to this class. In this class I will discuss what is called a Foucault pendulum. Foucault pendulum is the effect of Coriolis force on an oscillating pendulum. The effect of Coriolis force is to rotate the plane of oscillation of the pendulum. This was demonstrated by Foucault in 1861. I already told you that the Coriolis force is very small because Earth is rotating very slowly. But anyway, if it acts for a very long time, then we will be able to see the effect. For that, Foucault used a pendulum having a bob of mass 28 kg and suspended by a cable of length about 70 meters. And its period of oscillation is nearly 17 seconds. Let us see how we can derive a formula for period of rotation of a Foucault pendulum at a particular latitude phi. For that we consider a pendulum here oscillating in the north pole. When pendulum is oscillating, the earth is rotating from west to east in 24 hours, once in 24 hours. So when earth is rotating once in 24 hours, a person watching the pendulum at a north pole will see its plane is rotated through 360 degrees in one day. So that can be obtained in the following way. So this is the total amount of rotation 2 pi radians, and divided by angular velocity will be the time taken for rotation. So 2 pi by omega. So this is 2 pi by angular velocity is 2 pi by 24 hours. So you will get 24 hours as the time period of rotation of the Foucault pendulum at the north pole. Now consider a Foucault pendulum at this latitude phi. Here the angular velocity of earth is in this direction, which can be resolved in the vertical direction as well as in the horizontal direction. And this horizontal component will not have any effect on the pendulum because Coriolis force due to that component will be in the upward or downward direction. So pendulum cannot move in the up and down direction with this very small Coriolis force. So the force which is responsible for rotation of the plane of oscillation is the vertical component. This vertical component is omega. You can see this vertical component is omega cos 90 minus phi or omega sin phi. So 2 pi divided by omega sin phi will be the period of plane of rotation of the Foucault pendulum. Substituting for omega, we will get a 24 hours by sin phi, and phi is 90 degree at the north pole. Sin 90 is equal to 1. So we get t is equal to 24 hours at the north pole. But when we go away from north pole at a latitude phi, this is the time period of plane of oscillation of the Foucault pendulum. And at phi is equal to 0, that is at the equator here, the sin 0 is equal to 0, and it will take infinite time to complete one rotation of the Foucault pendulum. So Foucault pendulum will not rotate at all at the equator.